A train is traveling at the rate 45 km per hour. How many seconds it will take to cover a distance of 4 by 5 km? If you observe this, he is asking us to find the time, how many seconds. So time equivalents to distance by speed. What is the distance it has to cover? 4 by 5. So simply 4 by 5. What is the speed? The speed is in given 45 km per hour. Observe carefully. Distance is given in kilometers and speed is given in kilometer per hour. But the question is asking us to find is in seconds. You will get time here in hours. To convert it into seconds, we have to multiply with 3600 because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So that equals to 60 into 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 which is equals to 3600. That is the reason we are multiplying with 3600. 45 ones, 45 80s, 5 ones, 5 16s, 4 into 16 which is equals to 64 seconds. So the answer is option 2. Now, a person started his journey in the morning at 11 a.m. He covered 3 by 8 of the journey, and on the same day at 4:30 p.m. he covered 5/6 of the journey he started his journey at. So, we have to find at what time he started his journey. Now, let us say he started from this point, but by 11 a.m. how much distance is covered? 3 by 8. And by 4:30 p.m. by 4:30 p.m. he covered how much distance? Total is given total as 5 by 6. Okay. Now, how to tackle this kind of question? As we don't know the distance, never take the distance as d kilometers or like that. Simply, what is the numbers in the denominator? 8 and 6. Select a number which is divisible by 8 and 6. Simply take an LCM. Let the distance, total distance be 24x. Let the total distance be 24x. Nothing but LCM of 8 and 6 which is 24, multiple of 24 I am taking to make our calculation simple. Now, by 11 a.m. how much distance is covered? 3 by 8. So, 3 by 8 of 24x, that equal to 3 8 ones 83x. So, he covered 9x distance. But by 4:30 p.m. what is the distance covered, total distance? 5 by 6 of the total distance. So, resuming the total distance as 24x. So, 6 ones 6 4x. So, that equal to 20x. Now, from 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. what is the distance covered? First of all, from starting point to 11 a.m. what is the distance covered? We got 9x. And from 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. what is the distance covered? As the total distance covered here is 20, here already 9x is over. What is the remaining will be left over? 11x, because the total distance covered by 4:30 p.m. is 20x. Already by 11 a.m. he covered 9x. The remaining is 11x. So to cover 11x, how much time it took? From 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4:30. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours and half an hour, 5.5 hours. In 5.5 hours, he covered 11x. Is it clear? Now, what is the question is asking? He started his journey at what time? We have to find at what time he started his journey. So, to cover 11x, he took 5.5 hours. It is nothing but half an hour. To cover 1x, he is taking half an hour. Because 5 by 2 is nothing but 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is equal to 11x. So 11 equals to 22x. It means in 11 hours is covering 22x on simplification of this, because in 5.5 hours he covered 11x. In 11 hours he covered 22x. It means in 1 hour how much distance will cover? 2x. In 1 hour he will cover 2x distance. Now coming to here, he covered how much distance before by 11 a.m.? 9x. It means 9x can be written as 2x, 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 2x and x. To cover 2x, it is taking 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour and half an hour. It means 4.5 hours before 11 a.m. 4.5 hours before 11 a.m. means 11 minus 1, 10, 10 minus 1, 7, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 8 minus 1, 7 minus half, which is nothing but 6:30. So he started at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. You arrive at your school by 5 minutes late if you walk with a speed of 4 km per hour. When you're traveling at 4 km per hour, you arrived at 5 minutes late. Assume that you have to reach your destination by 9 a.m. Okay, let us assume taking a random time. Okay, you can take any time, you can fix. Now let the distance be d. If you travel by t by 4, you're reaching his office, school at 9:05 a.m. because you are late by 5 minutes. Okay, if you're traveling, but if you arrive 10 minutes before the scheduled time if you walk with a speed of 5 km per hour. Now if you're traveling at 5 km per hour, you're reaching 10 minutes early, so you'll reach your school by 8:50 because you're reaching 10 minutes before the scheduled time. Now d by 4 minus d by 5. What's the time gap? 9:05 to 8:50, which is nothing but 15 minutes. Convert in terms of hours, so 1/4 of an hour. Now don't do all the kind of stuff. Simply, what is the LCM of 4 and 5? 20. Simply multiply it with 20. Multiply it with 20. What happens? Why I'm multiplying with 20? Nothing but LCM of 4, 5 and 4, which is 20. So 20 into d by 4, which is nothing but 5d, minus 20 into d by 5, which is 4d, equals to 20 into 1 by 4, which is 5, implies d equal to 5 kilometers. So the answer is option 2. Now, a man can reach a certain place in 30 hours if he reduces speed by 1/5. See, listen carefully, he is using the word fraction 1 by 15th. Okay, he goes 10 km less in that time. Find his speed per hour. Now what is given? We don't know what is the actual speed. Let the actual speed be 15x. Let this be the actual speed. If you're traveling at 15x, what is the time taken? 30 hours. Okay. Now he said that he reduces his speed by 1 by 15. What is 1 by 15 of 15x? X. If you're reducing x, means at what speed you will travel? 14x. This is the new speed. Okay, new speed. Now what happens to time? So in the same time, how much distance you covered? 10 kilometers less than that. So if you travel for 30 hours, what happens? You will see. Here you will cover certain distance, here you will cover certain distance. This is distance, and if you travel at 15x, this is distance if you travel at 14x for 30 hours. But how much distance you are covering less? 10. So 15 into 30 hours equals to 14 into 30 hours plus 10, because you are covering 10 kilometers less than the previous one. So that is the reason you are adding plus 10 here. On simplification, you will get, bring this to the left hand side. 15x into 30 minus 14x into 30, it become x into 30, that equals to 10, implies x is equals to 1 by 3. What is the question is asking us to find? Find his speed per hour. What is the speed per hour we assumed? 15x. So 15x is equals to 15 into 1 by 3, that equals to 5 km per hour. So the answer is option 4.